In this video, I will show you exactly how to double your Android phone's battery life by turning off hidden settings that are quietly draining your power. Is your Android dying before the end of the day? It is incredibly frustrating when you have to constantly carry a power bank or search for a charger everywhere you go. Welcome back to Gen 2 Solutions. Today, we are going to fix your battery drain problem by disabling the biggest power hogs on your Android device. Grab your phone and let's get started. First, we need to stop apps from running when you are not actively using them. This is one of the biggest silent battery killers on any Android smartphone. Go to your Settings app, scroll down and select Apps, and choose a specific app that you think is draining power, like a heavy social media app. Tap on Battery and change the setting to Restricted. This stops the app from constantly refreshing and using your battery in the background. You want to do this for any app that you don't need sending you instant notifications. Next, let's talk about location tracking. Your phone constantly communicating with GPS satellites will completely destroy your battery life. Go back to your main settings menu, tap on Location, then tap on App Location Permissions. Go through this list carefully. You will be surprised how many apps are tracking you all day long. Make sure no unnecessary apps have permission to track your location all the time. Change them to Allow only while using the app or Don't allow if they don't need your location at all. If you're finding these Android battery saving tips helpful so far, take a quick second to hit that subscribe button down below. It really helps Gen 2 Solutions bring you more of these tech secrets, and it ensures you never miss out on unlocking the full power of your devices. Now, let's get back to saving your battery. The third setting you need to change is background scanning. Even when your Wi-Fi or Bluetooth is turned off, your Android might still be searching for connections in the background. Go to Settings, search for Location, tap on Location Services, and you will see Wi-Fi scanning and Bluetooth scanning. Turn both of these switches off immediately. Your phone does not need to constantly scan your surroundings for devices you aren't even trying to connect to. Fourth, let's look at your screen. Your display is the single biggest consumer of battery power on your device. Go into your display settings. First, make sure adaptive brightness is turned on so your phone is not blasting maximum brightness indoors. Second, and this is crucial, change your screen time out setting. Many people have this set to 2 or even 5 minutes. Change this to 30 seconds. This ensures your screen is not staying on and burning battery while it is just sitting on your desk. Also, switch on dark mode. This literally turns off the black pixels on your screen, saving a massive amount of power over the course of the day. Finally, we need to stop your phone from constantly sending diagnostic data to Google in the background. Go to your settings, tap on Security and Privacy, select Privacy, look for Usage and Diagnostics, and simply turn the switch off. This stops unnecessary background data transfers, saving both your battery and your mobile data, while also giving you a little more privacy. You are all set. By changing these simple settings, your Android battery is going to last so much longer and your phone will run smoother. Make sure to subscribe to Gen 2 Solutions for more easy tech tips, and click the video on your screen right now to learn how to secure your phone even more. I will see you in the next one.